Want to disable always on display on your Samsung phone? In this quick guide, I'll show you the simple steps to turn it off in just a few taps. To get started, unlock your Samsung phone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Lock Screen and AOD. On some Samsung devices or older One UI versions, this option may simply be called Lock Screen. Next, tap Lock Screen and AOD to open the available settings. Look for the Always On Display option. Once you find it, you'll see a toggle switch beside it. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. When the switch changes from blue to gray, the feature has been successfully disabled. To make sure the setting has been applied, press the power button to lock your phone. After the screen turns off, wait a few seconds. If the clock, notifications or other information no longer appear on the display, then Always On Display has been turned off successfully. If you ever decide you want the feature back, just return to the same menu and turn the toggle back on. Samsung also lets you customize Always On Display by setting schedules or choosing when it appears, so you don't have to keep it on all the time. That's it. Always On Display is now off. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and see you in the next video.